Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my nighttime routine for when I'm wearing my hair in a wash and go. I don't put my hair in a pineapple at all because at this point my hair is dry, and when my hair is up in a pineapple the next day, it's just very hard to basically come down, especially if I want to wear my hair down the next day. So all I do is section my hair. If I'm doing a side part, then I'll just kind of keep my hair the way I like, and then take certain sections of my hair and lightly twist it a few times and then pin it up with the clip. And usually I have about like 4 to 5 sections doing that. If my hair is parted in the middle, then I'll just do 4 sections, like 2 on each side. It's super quick, super effective. I'm so glad that I found out this technique, you guys, because I've tried so many nighttime routines and it just didn't work. The reason why I like this method is that the next day when I take it down, it's super easy to just fall down to where you want it to be. You don't have to manipulate your hair too much. And then I also got this beautiful silk bonnet from LILYSILK as well, and I put this over top of my hair and go to bed. And what I love so much about this silk bonnet, it's my first time actually wearing silk on my hair. I used to just wear satin scarves a lot. I noticed one of the main benefits with silk compared to satin especially, and of course compared to cotton, is that it definitely helps retain the moisture in my hair a lot more than usual. If I don't cover my hair at night, which sometimes I'm guilty of because I'm like lazy, or if it comes off of my head, then my hair is super dry the next day, and it's just a lot more work to get my hair looking good and moisturized. And so if I just make sure to use the right material and to cover my hair at night, that I don't have to experience that the next day, and it's super easy. Just spray a little bit of water and just go. So I've been really loving it, and I feel like it's like a really good size as well because it doesn't slip off. There is another option that I use if it does slip off my head, or if I don't feel like putting anything on my head, you can always have a silk pillowcase. So this is a silk pillowcase that I got from LILYSILK, and it is gorgeous, you guys. Like, the texture, you could just tell, is very high quality. And on their website they have a whole bunch of different other styles and different colors, but I've been loving this one as well because, again, it's really high quality. It actually helps retain the moisture in my hair as well. And also, not only is it good for your hair, it's actually really good for the skin as well. You know, just spray a little bit of water to refresh my hair, and if there's certain pieces of my hair that I feel like got frizzy or kind of straightened out a little bit, I do refresh that area if I want it to look really, you know, good. Sometimes I don't really mind. So I'll take a few little pieces, I'll spray a little bit of water, and I'll add just a little bit of gel. I do the same routine throughout the week, and of course as the days go by, my hair will get bigger, and I'll probably add a bit more water and more product depending on like what I want my hair to look like. But yeah, so that is my nighttime routine and my next day refresh routine. It's super easy. That's one of the reasons why I love wash and goes, because they're very low maintenance. I think the biggest goal is to retain that moisture as much as possible so that you don't have to do too much to your hair every day. And I've been loving these silk ponytails that I got from LILYSILK, and this is what I use now for my ponytails because I noticed that my hair retains much more moisture, and also like I don't lose a lot of hair. I used to use a lot of regular ponytails, and I noticed that after a while I'd always get like a lot of hair stuck in those ponytails, and it was just causing me to lose a lot of hair over time, and it's just like not good for, you know, hair breakage and the health of my hair. They're so cute because they're not like too bulky, so I can wear my hair in a style, like if I'm putting my hair in a bun or a ponytail, it's just a nice size, and it's just really nice high quality material, and I never have to experience any issues with hair breakage or dry hair or anything like that. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any LILYSILK products, they have amazing products on their website. I'm gonna have all the links in my description box below, and I also have a coupon code for you guys as well. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this video. Let me know your guys' tips and tricks on your nighttime routine for wash and goes. I will have another updated video on nighttime routine for twist outs and braid outs, but it's actually quite similar, except for a few little different tweaks. But that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Well done.
Really?